please ignore my outfit today, okay? I'm not feeling like too great. I just woke up from a nap because I crashed. This is the outfit, so it is what it is. Let's get to building. Popping in here super quick to show you I got these hung. They are just these big like L arms, and I got them hung up, and that is our outdoor rug that we only whip out for occasions. So far it's been like 2 occasions and I've had it for so long, but anyways, I can hang way more stuff on there. I think I could do like 650 pounds per screw, and there's 4, so I can definitely hang maybe scrap pieces of wood or, you know, whatever I want, but it is super convenient. I'm even thinking about maybe adding one on that side and maximizing the storage, so highly recommend. Okay, I don't know how many times I have actually like sat down and recorded this. I have zero idea what I have previously recorded, so I'm just gonna do this one last time and get this video up because like it's just been way too long. So the garage is, I guess, kind of done for now because I can't ever sit still, but a lot of things have changed. I know everybody wants an update from Rustoleum, so Rustoleum did send me a check for the kit itself, but not any of the extras like the degreaser, the cleaner, the anti-skid additive, but they did go ahead and send me a check. They were gonna send me a new kit, and I explained that I live in Florida. I would have to wait forever till the winter to do it anyway, otherwise the same thing's just gonna happen. I don't think I'm gonna fix it. They did tell me how to. I think I might do a different type of floor coating. I don't really know what I did wrong. I was so very careful and diligent, and it's just starting to peel up everywhere. So got refunded, got the check, all is good. But in the meantime, let me show you what the garage looks like as of now. Okay, so first things first, I had a whole bunch of electric put in over here, one up there for the TV, and I'll get closer, but I put in 2 outlets over there. But then I had 6 lights put in, and let me just tell you, it is a serious game changer in here. I don't have to have the garage door open. It's been great. So I don't even know if I showed this dresser. I painted it, put it on wheels, and then you can see there's an outlet up there, and then an outlet right there. Eventually, there's going to be a shelf that goes right here, and there will be more shelves on top of it, but the first shelf will be my battery charging station for all my tools. Those are going to move up there. This is going to become better storage for me. With the floors, I decided to get these rugs from Costco. They were about $20 each. I love them so much because it's helping keep all of the things that are peeling at bay. They are quite annoying to walk on. We trip on them all the time, and my husband's work boots always like pull them up. They're very thin, but they are outdoor rugs. I like them, so they're here to stay. So then we have the racks. So I got these racks. You definitely saw the footage of me building them. I love them. I can't say enough good things about them. I still have some organizing to do, but I'll just give you a quick little tour. So on this side, I've got holiday decor, donations up there, and then a couple of random things up there. But then like these 2 main shelves are my current project shelf. So anything that I'm currently working on, which happens to be my resin blocks right now, that's where they go. And then I got some, my pressure cleaner, sandbags, my shop vac, and then on this side, these first 2 rows are going to be like garden and pest control, and then these 2 are going to be paints. So they have these little hooks, these little white hooks, which I love, and that's how things are hanging on them. So, you know, that area is the same. This is, ignore this, this is a custom wedding sign I'm working on, and then this will be a whole other video, but this is a new mailbox. So then on this side of the garage, I just got rid of a whole bunch of donations. So like I have an empty bin, a doormat, which is going to go in the backyard after I do the floor out there. My wedding walls are just staying there for now, the H, and then up here we have, again, a couple of random things on this shelf. Toilet paper, paper towels. I got to get rid of that TV. I'm gonna try and donate it or give it to a friend or something, but we no longer need it. So then over here, those are all things from like my childhood, some of my mom's things, some important things that I don't ever need, but they need to stay up there. I need to get more of them, but the Container Store hasn't had them in quite a long time, so waiting on that. On this side, I've got some arts and crafts supplies on these first two rows. Here is like future projects and just things I don't know what to do with. Those are primarily empty, and then those are like household stuff. Like, well, I have rollerblades, but then I have like electric stuff and lighting stuff and just random things. And then on this side, that bin is empty. Then I have one for my pets. I have two for cleaning, but I'm using the other one that goes right there. And then some more cleaning, laundry. These I need to go hang it in my house, but then I have some more arts and crafts. And those have some random things. Hurricane water. A lot of these gray bins are actually empty. Not so much on this side, but these are empty and it's good. And I'm not gonna keep those bins forever. I'd really like to get a lot more of the black ones. And I'd like to have everything in a bin except for the water. Like, I don't want anything in a clear bin. It's all gonna go in gray bins. I absolutely love these tags. I don't know if I've already showed them, but I just printed out a piece of paper with the font and whatever I wanted, and I designed it, I think, on Canva. And then I got these little plastic, they just open like that and they hang right on there. They do fall off all the time if you're sloppy with taking off the bins, but whatever, it's not a big deal. So that's how the garage is kind of looking. I still feel like I have a lot of work to do, but I think this is a really, really, really good place. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.